In the ever-evolving world of photography and videography, choosing the right camera can make all the difference. Today, we spotlight three industry-leading, full-frame mirrorless cameras: the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, Nikon Z8, and Sony A1 II. Each model represents the pinnacle of innovation, offering advanced features tailored to both professionals and passionate creators. Whether your focus is on capturing stunning stills or producing cinematic video, these contenders set the standard for performance and versatility. Let's explore how each camera stands out and what makes them the top choices for creators worldwide. To help you navigate the crowded mirrorless camera market, we'll focus on several essential criteria. Resolution determines the level of detail and clarity in your images, while high-speed shooting is crucial for capturing fast-moving subjects. Autofocus systems play a key role in ensuring your shots are sharp and accurately tracked. Video capabilities are increasingly important for creators who demand high-quality footage. Finally, user experience and ergonomics can make a significant difference during long shoots, affecting comfort and ease of use. By examining these factors, we'll provide a comprehensive foundation for evaluating each camera's strengths and suitability for your needs. When it comes to resolution and image quality, all three cameras offer impressive performance, but each brings its own strengths. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II features a 45-megapixel sensor, delivering crisp images with excellent detail and depth. Nikon's Z8 edges slightly ahead with a 45.7-megapixel sensor, providing exceptional clarity and dynamic range, which is especially valuable for those who demand precision. The Sony A1 II leads in resolution with a 50.1-megapixel sensor, offering remarkable sharpness and the ability to capture intricate details, making it ideal for large prints or extensive cropping. Ultimately, while all three excel in image quality, the Sony A1 II stands out for those who prioritize the highest level of detail, while Canon and Nikon provide outstanding results that will satisfy most professional needs. High-speed shooting is a critical feature for photographers who need to capture fast-moving subjects, such as in sports or wildlife photography. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II offers impressive continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second with its electronic shutter, and 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter. The Nikon Z8 matches this performance with up to 20 frames per second in RAW and 30 frames per second in JPEG mode, ensuring you never miss a decisive moment. Sony's A1 II stands out by delivering up to 30 frames per second, making it particularly well-suited for action-packed scenes. These high burst rates not only increase your chances of capturing the perfect shot, but also provide flexibility when selecting the best image from a sequence. Autofocus systems play a crucial role in capturing sharp, well-timed images and videos. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II features dual-pixel intelligent AF with eye control, allowing for quick and precise focus that responds intuitively to the photographer's gaze. Nikon's Z8 employs a 493-point hybrid autofocus system enhanced by AI-based subject detection, ensuring reliable tracking even in challenging conditions. Sony's A1 II stands out with real-time tracking and eye AF, offering advanced subject detection and continuous focus on eyes, whether human or animal. These technologies provide photographers and videographers with powerful tools to maintain focus on moving subjects, making each camera uniquely suited to different creative demands. When it comes to video capabilities, all three cameras offer impressive 8K recording, but there are important distinctions. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II supports 8K RAW video at up to 60 frames per second, providing exceptional clarity and flexibility for post-production. Nikon's Z8 matches the 8K 60 frames per second benchmark and adds versatile options like 4K 120p ProRes RAW, appealing to creators who need both high resolution and slow motion capabilities. The Sony A1 II delivers 8K video at up to 30 frames per second, but stands out with its advanced color science, making it a favorite for projects where color accuracy is paramount. Ultimately, The best choice for professional video production depends on whether your priority is maximum frame rates, flexible recording formats, or superior color rendering. User experience and ergonomics play a crucial role in how a camera performs during long shoots. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is praised for its intuitive interface and comfortable grip, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Nikon's Z8 offers a well-balanced design, ensuring stability and ease of use in a variety of shooting conditions. The Sony A1 II stands out for its compact form factor and functional layout, appealing to photographers who are often on the move. Ultimately, how a camera feels in your hands and how quickly you can access key settings can significantly impact your creative workflow and overall satisfaction. As of early 2026, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II has reclaimed the top spot in Japan's camera market, reflecting strong consumer demand and widespread acclaim among both professionals and enthusiasts. The Nikon Z8 continues to maintain a solid reputation, striking a balance between advanced features and reliable performance that appeals to a broad range of creators. Meanwhile, the Sony A1 II remains highly competitive, especially valued for its speed and versatility in both photography and videography circles. Each camera has carved out a distinct niche, with their market performance underscoring the diverse needs and preferences of today's creative community. Selecting the right camera ultimately depends on your personal needs and creative aspirations. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II stands out for its high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, and robust video capabilities, making it ideal for those who demand versatility. The Nikon Z8 offers a slightly higher resolution and a balanced feature set, appealing to both photographers and videographers seeking precision and flexibility. Meanwhile, the Sony A1 II excels in high-speed shooting and advanced autofocus, catering to professionals who prioritize speed and adaptability. By considering which features align most closely with your workflow and artistic goals, you can confidently choose the camera that will best support your creative journey.